Good. I have a problem. I have got my first paycheck, and I spent all my money on animals. And I didn't realize at the time that after buying all these animals, I had to have something to feed them. So what I did was, I looked outside and I found a tree with apples. A tree right over yonder. Everybody try this with me. Try yonder. The yonder tree. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to sing you a song about all the animals that I've bought. And I want you to do the motions along with me. Okay? Are you ready? Well, I bought me a cat. My cat loves me. I fed my cat from the yonder tree. The cat said, fiddle-I-fee. Yeah, really good. Let's try that one more time. So we're petting the cat. We have the heart. My cat loves me. Loves me. I fed my cat, fed our cat again, from the yonder tree. Okay, let's try it. Well, I bought me a cat. My cat loves me. I fed my cat from the yonder tree. The cat said, fiddle-I-fee. Well, then I went to buy another animal. I ended up buying a parrot. So, how would we hold a parrot? Would we hold him here and just stroke his back? Yeah, probably. Well, I bought me a parrot. My parrot loves me. I fed my parrot from the yonder tree. The parrot said, fiddle-I-fee. Great. Well, then I ran into a livestock breeder, and he said, I've got this deer, and, I don't know what I'm going to do with this deer. So I said, you know what, I'll take him off your hands. When we make that motion, what do we do? How do we do that motion?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That's just the deer. We got to pet the deer. How do we pet the deer?
Maybe like
On this. Okay, so he's standing beside us. Great, okay. So let's try that. I bought me a deer. My deer loves me. I fed my deer from the yonder tree. Can you guys sing it with me?
Yeah.
Let's try it. Ready? Well, I bought me a deer. My deer loves me. I fed my deer from the yonder tree. The deer said, fiddle-I-fee. Great. So what other animals did I buy? Somebody raise your hand and tell me your favorite animal. What animal did I buy?
A whale.
A whale? Oh, how did we buy a whale?
You got a big pond.
Aquariums.
Yeah, so we're in a giant fish tank, and we're overlooking him, and he's right at the top because he wants to. So we're going to reach over and pet the whale. Everybody try that one time. Reach over and stroke the whale. Perfect. Are you ready? Well, I bought me a whale. My whale loves me. I fed my whale from the yonder tree. The whale said, fiddle-I-fee. Good job. Somebody else.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
We can reach up and pet his head.
So we're gonna say, well, I bought me a giraffe. The giraffe loved me.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I bought me a giraffe. My giraffe loves me. I fed my giraffe from the yonder tree.
The
Giraffe said, fiddle-I-fee. Okay, somebody else?
An elephant.
An elephant, okay. So we gotta reach up. This is a big guy, right? Reach up and pet the elephant real fast. Yeah. All right, now sing. Well, I bought me an elephant. My elephant loves me. I fed my elephant from the yonder tree. Don't forget to do. Don't forget to do loves me. Okay, let's try it again. Well, I bought me an elephant. My elephant loves me. I fed my elephant from the yonder tree. The elephant said, fiddle-I-fee. Great.
My dog.
The dog.
Yeah.
You get on, pet him on.
You're so little.
Oh, okay. So he's on the ground.
Yeah, he's on the ground.
Okay, gotcha. Well, I bought me a dog. My dog loves me. I fed my dog from the yonder tree. My dog said, fiddle-I-fee.
So do we do it again right before we do fiddle-I-fee? Do I do that time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, fiddle-I-fee.
There's a lot of
Whenever it says dog, you do it. What's yours? You got one?
Miniature pig.
Miniature pig. So we would just hold him, wouldn't we?
Tiny pig.
We would just hold our little pig, wouldn't we? Okay, interesting. Wow, that's a small pig. Well, I bought me a miniature pig. My pig loves me. I fed my miniature pig from the yonder tree. My miniature pig said, fiddle-I-fee. And we're just saying pig, just for the sake of the song. Okay, let's try it again. Well, I bought me a pig. My pig loves me. I fed my pig from the yonder tree. The pig said, fiddle-I-fee.
pandas.
Panda, okay. Oh gosh, this is a big guy. So I
I
think
just want to hug him. I just want to hug him.
I'm giving him a massage. I'm giving him a massage, a panda massage.
I'm going to give him a hug.
A paid massage.
Panda hug.
You ready? Well, I bought me a panda. My panda loves me. I fed my panda from the yonder tree. The panda said, fiddle-I-fee. Great.
A billion animals. Cheetah, we could run from it.
What about a horse? Hamster. Hamster. Yeah, that'll work. How do we hold him?
Very small.
Oh, very small. Just like the pig. Gotcha. Well, I bought me a hamster. My hamster loves me. I fed my hamster from the yonder tree. A hamster said, fiddle-I-fee.
She did the
What was it?
whale. No, that whale.
That's true.
You did the whale?
Elephant.
Can we do a cheetah and run from the cheetah?
Okay, so here's the last step. Are you listening?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to go around the room and say each other's animals. Try to remember. You think that'll be all right? You think we can do a good job of that?
Yeah.
You want to remind us what was your animal?
A whale!
Whale,
Giraffe.
A
Giraffe.
dog.
dog, pig,
Panda.
panda, hamster,
An elephant.
elephant, and I'm the cat. Okay.
And a parrot.
All right, so let's start with.
Do you want to do the cat and
I'll
the
just
parrot?
leave the parrot out. We'll forget about the
The
parrot.
cat ate the
I
parrot.
want
The
parrot.
cat
Hey,
ate the
dude.
guys. Cat ate the parrot. He got in the yonder tree.
Oh
Cat got in there.
no! That
You
little
ready?
thing's
So we're gonna start
fly.
with the cat, then we're gonna move on to his, which is a
whale.
whale. Cool. Well, I bought me a cat. My cat loves me. I fed my cat from the yonder tree. My cat said, fiddle-I-fee. 2, 3. Well, I bought me a whale. My whale loves me. I fed my whale from the yonder tree. The whale says, fiddle-I-fee.
Well, I bought a giraffe.
Giraffe loves me. I fed my giraffe from the yonder tree. The giraffe said, fiddle-I-fee.
Well, I found
Me a dog, my dog loves me. I fed my dog from the yonder tree. The dog said, fiddle-I-fee. Well, I bought me a pig. My pig loves me. I fed my pig from the yonder tree. The pig says, fiddle-I-fee.
Well, I bought
Me
a panda.
My panda loves me. I fed my panda from the yonder tree. The panda says, fiddle-I-fee. Well, I bought me
A hamster.
hamster. My hamster loves me. I fed my hamster from the yonder tree. The hamster says, fiddle-I-fee. Last one. Well, I bought me an elephant. My elephant loves me. I fed my elephant from the yonder tree. The elephant says, fiddle-I-fee. Elephant, one more time. Well, I bought me an elephant. My elephant loves me. I fed my elephant from the yonder tree. The elephant says, fiddle-I-fee.
Well, I bought me